Hey guys, this is Trail Slayers, and today we're going to be doing a bike check. So this is my Calibre bossnut Evo, and let's get into the specs. Okay, so first of all, at the cockpit of the bike, I have these core Durexo bars. I think they're pronounced like that. Not actually too sure. They're 780mm wide, which is quite wide. I prefer it like that. And then we just have the standard calibre grips. They're very soft, grippy, good in the wet. And then next to those is these Shimano, I don't actually know what brakes they are, but they're finger brakes and they're pretty solid. And then moving on, it's a one by. You can see 111 there. So it's SRAM NX, as you can see down there. And then moving on to the stem is, I'm not sure which stem this is. It came with the bike, but it is 35mm. Maybe, no, I think it's actually 40. It's a 40mm stem. No, I had any problems with it yet. And then onto there we've got 3 headset spacers and then an FSA headset underneath that. It's pretty good and smooth, and I haven't got anything bad to say about that. And then on next is these Rockshox Suspension, and again, not actually sure what model these are, but if you want to know, just comment down below and then I'll find out for you. And then I've got some WTB tyres on some WTB rims. They're 27.5, 2.5 inches wide. And then next is the actual frame, which is the Calibre bossnut Evo frame, size large. Pretty good for me. And sorry about the noises, there's a road at the bottom. And then, yeah, attached to the frame is this Rockshox rear suspension. It's 130mm of travel. That's enough for me where I live. I don't have too much gnarly terrain. And I just got some stickers on there. Got Demon Dirt, Surrey Hill clothing, and just the writing Calibre. So then, next is, there's my gears, and then I've got some same rear tyre. The hub isn't that loud, but it makes a noise, so yeah, that's fair enough. And then I've got these Crank Brother stamp free pedals, very grippy, nice and stealthy, which goes with the frame, like the black and the red, looks pretty sick. And then the seat is just a WTB Volt seat on just a standard seat post with quick release clamp, and I think I've covered everything. Yeah, I've got this Urgitech mud guard, which is alright, it looks pretty sick, but it's not too long. Don't like the long ones. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, comment and subscribe. That would be very much appreciated. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.